Hello, it's Wednesday the 17th. I'm FX Plu, and for those of you who enjoyed seeing me get soaked yesterday, I thought I'd chance it without the brolly again today. Already regretting it. Sunak's been on. He's working on the budget behind the scenes. That's due out on March the 3rd. And we're all pretty keen to know what longer plans he may have come up with for repaying all this pandemic debt. It's likely that we'll have plenty of rhetoric about the country growing its way back to financial health, but the forecasts are healthy at best at the moment, and by no means stellar. So do you think he'll manage to avoid any tax rises in the budget? I'm not so sure myself. In the market, sterling has continued its ascent towards the 140 mark against the dollar. 139.50 was as close as we got yesterday though, and we opened this morning ever so slightly lower, under 139, around 138.80. In the US, the Fed remains unconcerned by all the asset price growth, and they've downplayed a threat of a bubble. That's as Bitcoin crossed 50,000 yesterday. Woo! To the moon. But their expectation is that the relentless rise in equities will at some point run out of steam, or needs a little steam releasing out of the market at the very least. Just cross your fingers that that pressure can be released in a controlled manner. It's not like we could do with a market crash right now. That would do us no favours at all. We saw the euro correct slightly yesterday as the dollar rose. We fell to a low of 120.95, and this morning we open again ever so slightly lower, around 120.75. Right, so that's it from me. 2 from 2, an absolute soaking. I'll be under the brolly tomorrow. See ya.
If you do not have a clue, then just tweet through and ask FX Blue.